Imran, BJP wants to repeat Myanmar-esque massacre in India. Prime Minister Imran Khan has cautioned the global network that India's decision Bhartiya Janata Party (BJP) was planning to rehash the Myanmar-style massacre and rejection of its minority Muslim populace. He said that upwards of 500 million individuals will be avoided from the citizenship list under India's new dubious laws, for example, the activity of refreshing the National Register of Citizens (NRC). This is exactly what happened in Myanmar when they first started the Registration Act, and that's how they excluded the Muslims, and then the genocide took place. I am afraid this is where it is heading in India, the Prime Minister said. In a restrictive meeting with Anadolu Agency in Islamabad, Prime Minister Imran talked in subtleties on a variety of issues, remembering the circumstance for the Middle East, Afghanistan, relations with Turkey, household issues, nation's economy, atmosphere changes, relations with neighboring India and its activities in Indian-involved Jammu and Kashmir. Reacting to an inquiry with respect to the plausibility of any convergence of foreigners toward Pakistan and Bangladesh from India in the wake of current advancements, Khan stated, Bangladesh would not take anybody who has been prohibited from the citizenship list in the northeastern Indian territory of Assam. I think Bangladesh is already worried because in Assam they deregistered almost 2 million people. I do not know the exact number, but what will happen to these people? Khan asked.